Hi, and welcome to the RE/MAX Hallmark March 2019 Toronto Real Estate Market Report. March sales numbers were low. So low they tied with February for the second lowest since 2009. I'll comment more on that in this broadcast as we go through the market report. So let's review some of the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics and see what's happened. Sales were flat for March compared to last year, with 7,187 houses and condominiums changing hands in all the districts. This was tied for the lowest number of sales since 2009 for the month with March 2018. Condo, townhouse, and high-rise suites took a typical 35% share of the market, with 2,516 units being sold. The March average sale price for all GTA homes came in at $788,335, almost identical, plus 0.5%, with 1 year ago. The active listing inventory is one of the strongest indicators of how slow or fast the market has been moving. The inventory average for the month of March compared to historical numbers was basically flat compared to last year at this time. This is actually a good sign, since we're not being overwhelmed with high inventory levels and is probably keeping us from seeing a slump in prices in some GTA locations. The sales to listings or percent chance of selling ratio is how we determine what type of market we're actually in. 24 to 28% is a neutral market, below 24% is a buyer's market, and above 28% is a seller's market. In March, that ratio finished at 46.1%, just barely above last year. The GTA overall has moved slightly into moderate seller market territory, but sellers may need to adjust their pricing expectations if they want to make a move. The days on market average for GTA/Toronto homes was 21 days, 4 days faster than February. So let's look at what's happening in the downtown Toronto condominium market. West of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO1 Treb District, the average sale price for March was $689,289. That average moved up 5.7% from the same time last year. With 322 condo sales in the month, the numbers were down 24% compared to 2018, and back to 2014 levels. There were 500 active listings on the market in March, up 16% from last year, but still significantly lower than prior to 2017. The ratio of sales to listings increased to 64.4%, which keeps CO1 in busy seller's market territory. The average days on market came in at 16, 3 days faster than last month. Now, east of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO8 Treb District, the average sale price for March was $688,740. That number was up 3.2% compared to 2018. And with 152 condo sales in the month, the numbers were down 15% from last year. There were 202 active listings on the market in March, up 41% from 2018. The ratio of sales to listings was a higher 75.2% for the month. That number puts CO8 into a very busy seller market territory. The average days on market came in at 15, 5 days faster than last month. Here's a snapshot summary of the significant real estate milestones for Toronto in March 2019. Lots of stats are flat compared to 2018. We were tied for the lowest number of March sales since 2009 at 7,187, 10 years ago. And the ratio of sales to listings was 46.1% in March. This is just moving slightly into seller market territory. Also, the average sale price came in at $788,335, basically flat compared to last year, up a mere 0.5%. Note that this overall market average was 14% lower than 2 years ago in March 2017. And overall sales in the month were flat compared to 1 year ago. And the GTA real estate market overall averaged the days on market at 21, 1 day slower than last year. Also, detached home sales in March 2019 with a purchase price over $2 million were exactly the same as last year, flat. Affordability considerations are now shifting the market more to a condominium lifestyle. Condo sales took a 35% share of the total market. Downtown condo active listing numbers were up by 16% in CO1 and up in CO8 by 41% from last year at this time. And March sales were down 24% in CO1 and lower by 14.6% in CO8 compared to 2018. The downtown condo days on market average was 15 to 16 days, 5 days faster than the overall market. And the ratio of sales to listings for condos downtown was closely matched in CO1, 64.4%, and in CO8 at 75.2%, but still higher than in the overall market. Building on this higher demand due to better affordability, condo appreciation in the two main downtown markets averaged 3.2 to 5.7% year over year, slower than at any time in 2018. Markets in York Region and other 905 neighborhoods have suffered the most from the market slowdown. All York Region communities are continuing to show that they are in serious buyer market territory. Expect sales and inventory to pick up as we progress into the spring market in April through May and June, where listings and buyers are most active. Buyers should watch for more pricing opportunities to get the condo or house of their dreams. This month, we're looking at the stats for the Toronto Real Estate Board showing sales by home type for March 2019. Looking at sales in the 416/Toronto area, most home types showed declines, with condos having the highest sales decline at minus 14.1%. Sales for all types were higher in the 905 area, mainly because sales last year were so low. All home types in the 416 showed average sale price declines except for condo suites, while all but detached homes in the 905 showed average price increases. So what's the best way to make your first baby step into the Toronto or GTA real estate market? Make a call or send an email to your favorite RE/MAX Hallmark professional and set up a conversation over a coffee to discuss what your buying or selling options going forward might be. Remember to check back here in early May for our April 2019 Toronto Real Estate Market Report.